Hello everyone, welcome back to Teach Fair with Ayuk. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Chinese New Year celebration in my school. Yes, Chinese New Year celebration in my school. Chinese New Year, also known as the Lunar New Year, is one of the most important celebrations in many Asian cultures. It is a time for families to reunite, share meals, and welcome a fresh beginning. So the celebration begins in the morning, and you can see all the students are in the assembly ground enjoying the celebration. Yes, I always like to bring you celebrations in my school so that you, my fans, can see the celebrations and enjoy with me. Yeah, so you see the sounds of drum echoes across the school grounds as the lion dance performance began with powerful movements and rhythmic beats. The lions dance to chase away bad luck and invite prosperity for the new year. That is the significance of this particular dance. Yes, so this I'm just showing you my school. My school is a very big school. Yes, so you can see the school, it's all decorated, and red is decorated in red because red is so significant. It's a significant color for Chinese New Year. So red decoration dances in the morning light, yes, and also lanterns swayed gently above smiling faces. Everywhere you can see the spirit of celebration. Yes, the spirit of celebration. We came together to celebrate Chinese New Year, a time of renewal, a time of gratitude, and a time of hope. So you can see my students presenting. Yes, they had to present the Chinese dance in different forms. They had different Chinese dance presentations. As I earlier said, my school teaches different languages. Yeah, we have different departments. We have Chinese, we have Korean, French, English, Japanese. So we have different languages that are being taught. That is why in my school you realize that we always have celebrations, because we tend to celebrate everything, especially in the countries where we teach the language in our school. So the celebration was going on and they were dancing. Unfortunately, I don't know the names of this dance, So don't worry, don't worry about the names of the dances that were performed. I don't know the names. I'm not a Chinese. But at least they performed different kinds of dances. Yeah, the school was really it was full of love because everywhere was painted red and the dance was going on. Of course it was, you can see, though it is in the slow mode, but they were dancing. We had singers, and can you imagine, these students were singing in the Chinese language. Anyway, this is what they have been studying, so they learned a lot, and they really portrayed that they have learned a lot, which is a very good thing in church. It is indeed a good thing. Yes, it is a good thing. So the dance continued. As we were dancing, we were looking, we were enjoying the dance and just observing, especially for those who have never seen the Chinese, who have never witnessed the Chinese celebration. They were like, oh, is this how it is really done? Yes, it is. This is how it is being done, especially in our school, because my school pays attention to everything. They really celebrate almost everything that needs to be celebrated. My school is always on that. Yes, my school is always on that. So they were dancing, and there was a performance anyway, but I couldn't really understand what the performance was all about. But there was every indication that there was a performance. So the energy was so contagious. So contagious. Students clapped, they laughed, and they cheered with excitement. They were so happy. Everyone was so happy. Yes, everyone was really, really happy during the celebration. It was a good thing to observe though. So we also enjoyed beautiful performances prepared by our talented students. Let me tell you, you see these students, they are so talented. Yes, they are really talented. When you look at them and you see their performances, you won't believe that they are the same students that you teach in class. Sometimes you see most of them in class are so quiet but full of talent. Yes, they are full of talent. So they performed, and they performed a lot of things like traditional dances, songs, and cultural presentations that reminded us of the richness of Chinese heritage. It's a good thing to, sometimes I used to say, it's a good thing to travel, because traveling is learning. When you travel, you learn a lot. Honestly, I have learned a lot, because I have learned a lot of different cultures. Yeah, different cultures, different behaviors, and there are some things that I will look and judge, but now I don't see any reason to judge anything, because I now understand that cultures are different, and you shouldn't judge someone else because probably they are behaving the way they are behaving because of their culture, not really because they are the way we look at things. Okay, so I really learned a lot. I have really learned a lot in my stay in Thailand, and yes, really helped me. Yeah, so all the students and the teachers really enjoyed the performances. We did enjoy the performances, but beyond the performances today was about something deeper. I bring these things because they are not just performing, but there are deeper things that we tend to learn. Yes, it was about unity. It was about learning from one another. It was about respecting cultures and celebrating diversity together as one school family. Yeah, actually, moments like this remind us that school is not only a place for learning lessons from books, it is a place where we experience traditions, build memories, and grow together. So as we welcome this new year, may it bring happiness, good health, and success to every student, every teacher, and every family. Yes. So, from us, or from me, or from my school to you, Happy Chinese New Year. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the performances. I hope you enjoyed everything, and the little that you must have learned about Chinese New Year. I hope you enjoyed it. Excuse me. So thank you very much for